Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Razer Sound free trial version for your PC from official website. So let's start and see how to download it. So first of all we will go to our browser. Let's name is Chrome browser and search here Razer Sound. After Razer Sound, open this website razer.com. Razer Sound 7.1, I agree. Sound. The purchase of your Razer headset comes with 7.1 surround software for superior pro-stereo audio and a lifelike gaming experience. Download the application below and register with your activation code to gain a competitive gaming advantages. Okay, so after that include with the Razer headsets: Razer Kraken X, Razer Kraken X USB, Razer Kraken V3X, Razer Kraken, Razer Black Shark V2X, Razer Blue Shark V2X USB, Razer Barracuda X. Okay, so after that only available for Windows 10 64-bit. You can see here this support only Windows 10 and that is 64 bits only. Please do not use 7.1 surround sound as your playback device for Skype and Microsoft Teams. Use your default speaker output instead for chat audio. Okay, 7.1 surround sound. You can put your activation code here to install the pro version, and you can download free version from this website. Upgrade and hear the difference THX. If you're looking to take audio game with even further, then arm your headset with THX spatial audio. So these are the features and capabilities and how it works. So we will download the trial version for our PC here, and that is Windows 10 supported only and 64-bit. You can see here I start to download in my desktop. That is the installer of surrounds, that is 4 MB. It has been downloaded. I will see it and run it as administrator. Yes, I will allow this to run it. So after that installer has been started and the installation process of Razer Sound for my PC Windows 10 has been started. The installation is started and I will click here to install. That is about 93 MB and the sound for my PC has been starting to be installed on my PC. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this way you can also download and install Razer Sound for your PC. Thank you so much.